Tariffs on India by US President Donald Trump. 25% tariff penalty for India buying Russian weapons oil. US President Donald Trump announced 25% tariff on imports from India and an unspecified penalty for New Delhi purchases of Russian weapons and energy. US President Donald Trump said the United States was currently in trade negotiations with India day after announcing 25% tariffs on Indian exports. After imposing 25% tariff along with additional penalties on Indian exports, US President Donald Trump has confirmed that the United States is currently in trade negotiations with New Delhi. Speaking at a press conference at the White House on Wednesday, Trump said, India remains one of the highest tariff imposing countries in the world, but discussions are underway. We are talking to them now, Trump said in responses to a question about the US is open to the negotiations with India on the new tariff front. During a press conference, Trump also addressed India's association with BRICS, an international bloc that includes Brazil, China, Russia, India and South Africa, calling it anti-United States and accusing it of undermining the US dollar. It's an attack on dollar and we are not going to let anybody attack on US dollar. This trade situation is a deficit and we had a tremendous trade deficit. Despite criticism, Trump maintained that he shares a healthy bond with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. However, he expressed frustration over what he described as imbalanced trade, noting that India benefits more from bilateral trade than the US does. He also cited India's ongoing energy partnership with Russia, particularly at a time when the West continues to push for an end to the Ukraine conflict. However, India is our friend. We have over the years done a little business because their tariffs are the highest in the world and they have always bought a vast majority of their military equipment or weapons from Russia and are Russia's largest buyer of energy along with China. All things are not good. Therefore, India will be paying a tariff of 25% and penalty for the above starting from August 1. In response, New Delhi said it would take firm steps to secure the interest of farmers, entrepreneurs and MSMEs. India and US have been engaged in trade negotiations over the last few months on concluding the fair, balanced and mutually beneficial trade agreement. We will be committed to our objective. Thank you.